Salida, Colorado, 1995. Local resident Tim Edwards films a cigar-shaped UFO. James Fox claims it's some of the most compelling UFO footage ever released. Let's dive in. If you're new to the channel, y'all, and you like content like this, please hit that subscribe button. I put out a new video every day, 12 p.m. Central Standard Time. I do not miss a day. And of course, please hit that like button, vetters. That really helps out the videos. So thank y'all so much for the support there. And of course, comment down below. What do you think of this video? Have you seen it before? Let's dive in. Quick shout out to Dr. Dan Billiers, who suggested I do this video on Twitter. So thank you, Doctor. Let's dive in, y'all. All right, so I'm going to show y'all two clips. First, the unedited clip of the entire UFO sighting. Then we're going to watch Logan Paul, impulsive clip. That's right, where James Fox is on the show and he talks about this clip, okay? So that's why I'm showing it. All right, let's go. Again, original footage, 1995, Salida, Colorado. Local resident Tim Edwards films this. You can even hear his daughter, I think it's his daughter, you know, kind of chatting with them in the background. The audio is mono, so that's not me, okay? So just be prepared for that. She said, is that a spaceship? He's like, shut the hell up, girl. Trying to film a UFO.
Dad, can a spaceship grow bigger like that?
Huh? Oh my God. This is why I don't have kids.
Take the thing off of you,
You can see light, like, you know, flying across it. Dude, that is weird. Right, it's like pulsing with light. You hear a plane or something, right?
If a spaceship grows bigger like that, then it's a spaceship.
Go get the binoculars.
The girl's the spaceship. Dude, what is that thing? Whoa. Whoa. Did that thing just start moving all crazy?
Stops and then, you know, it's not.
Yeah, I know.
It's erratic.
Erratic as hell. It ain't no kind of aircraft, I'll tell you that.
Oh no.
So I guess his buddy came over, or neighbor or
Keep
something.
looking at it, and you can see like a ball going around it. I mean, way out around it, you know, like it's
Interesting.
shooting cleanse off from it.
I'm sorry, what?
Well,
I can't see.
oh, the more you look at it, it's just amazing. Go, where's your spotting scope at, Dad?
Oh, got it. Okay. It's his dad.
Fifth wheel or?
Yeah, there is something coming off the top of it or something there. Whoa, it just like split.
I can't have it, Dad.
Might be able to, because it's stationary a lot too.
God, this looks like
It's like it's gone.
orange. Jesus.
Oh, I bet they can still see it. Oh, there it is.
Yep, there's something going around it. Something going around it.
There's something going around it. This is the beginning to an M. Night Shyamalan movie right here. Local family just trying to have a barbecue. Then they spot a UFO. Daddy, is that a spaceship? Gung, gung, gung. M. Night Shyamalan presents UFO sighting. I don't know. Signs 2. I mean, I gotta admit, I had never seen this before. And I got sent this, and I was just like, wow, that's pretty cool. Whoa. What the hell? Whoa. Okay, that looks like something now. Like, before it was blurry and stuff, but
No. Huh? Get over the house where the sun's not in your eyes. Close to the edge of the house.
So it's not a camera effect because they can see it with their own eyes, regardless of the camera or binoculars or whatever, right? So it's not a camera artifact. It's moving really weird in comparison to, I don't understand. When it gets to the edge of the house there, that's interesting.
5 miles in 2 seconds.
But if it's that distance,
It's more than 5
how is it
miles.
moving like that?
It moved over that part of the sky there. It probably moved 500. It probably moved 100 miles in a matter of a second or two.
You see those? Wait, what the fuck is going on?
Now? Is there a big one?
There's all these little orbs.
Going? Do you see it? Oh, you can't see it.
I can't see it with this.
Jesus, you're...
That is crazy, man. I gotta admit, I mean, it kind of looks like some sort of reflection. Does that make sense? But it's not, clearly, because they can see it in real life, you know. See that? It looks like something like that. Because they're staring at the sun. Right, so the sun is clearly coming from that direction. Is it bouncing off something to create that? But you saw these other little orbs flying around. It is moving erratically. Wow. Very interesting. All right, let's go to the reaction of James Fox on the Impulsive podcast again.
We
That's
are not alone.
Hey, calm down, Ross. Okay. Impulsive podcast. Logan Paul. James Fox went on there as a guest. This was years ago, and he talked about this. This is where the whole Chuck Clark footage and stuff started too. We'll have to come back around to that and see. Anyway. All right, here we go. So anyway, let's just go.
Spaceship grow bigger like that?
Can a spaceship grow bigger like that? Whoa.
Huh?
Whoa. Oh my gosh.
Take the thing off the
Oh my gosh. You could see it's shimmering and it looks
It'll
like
look
a disc.
alive, like it's alive.
Where was this?
Salida, Colorado, 1995.
Okay.
Tim Edwards shot it.
Okay, so I have another question about this stuff. The another issue with videos like this, and especially when they're in Colorado, Nevada, some of these places are the testing grounds for advanced research projects. DARPA, right? Is that what it's called? Skunk Works, like all of these people that have said, and this could go either way. This could be a project of the U.S. military, correct? Any of these can. The disc could be, any of them could be U.S. military projects, correct? Is that a possibility?
Not at this point.
Why do you say that?
Because the highest level government officials said that we simply don't have that technology. We don't have the ability to fly without wings. We don't have the ability to fly without conventional propulsion. Yeah, you have objects that can hover, that can accelerate from a standstill to out of sight, right angle turns. We don't have it, and they say we don't have it today.
So I like that, and I'm on that side.
Yeah.
And all of the people that have said this stuff isn't real since the 1960s. They said this isn't real. There's no ship that can detract radar. That just can't happen. Then all of a sudden the SR-71 came out. Where did that technology come from? Absorbed radar, didn't emit any kind of radar detection, right? They said there's no way a airplane could lift flat off the ground like that. Then the Harrier jet came out and it lifted straight off of aircraft carriers without any kind of runway whatsoever. So on your side and the side I agree with on this, it seems like this tech is coming from somewhere. Like, where is the tech coming from that we keep putting into our...
But the conventional propulsion from the Harrier jet is just jet engines that rotate.
Correct.
And the SR-71 can't stop. It has wings. It can't like hover, and it makes noise, and it makes a lot of noise. And these things violate every known principle that we have. I mean, they don't make a sonic boom. How do you travel supersonic speeds and not make a sonic boom?
The only other anti-point on that one is...
And I'm saying I don't know where these things are
Anti-point.
from. I really don't. And I think that anyone that says they do is not telling the truth.
Right.
No, I really
the
don't.
only other anti on that
Okay,
point
dude.
is, as you know very well,
Can this guy just let James Fox talk? Nobody wants to hear from this guy. Anyway, it's just the rest of that guy talking. So what do y'all think? Salida, Colorado. I guess James is saying Salida, but it just means Salida, exit. That's what it translates to in Spanish. Exit, Colorado. Yeah, I mean, that's fascinating. The way that it moves is interesting. It does look like some sort of reflection. But again, they can see it with their own eyes in the sky. So that's maybe some sort of atmospheric condition, but also it definitely looks weird, man. You can see the shimmer. You can see like it was like almost alive. The way it looked like the front of the Kit car, right? With the red thing going back. Kit from Knight Rider, okay, for those of you younger. And there were things coming off of it. Right, you could see that happening as well, that's super interesting. I mean, it's probably not a reflection then at that point, right? Clearly, the other things are coming off it and flying around it, and they said they could see something else around it too, right? Visually, I bet in person they had way more detail and clarity, and they were expressing that there. Sounded like you had a few generations there, grandpa, dad, daughter, right? Like that's cool. They filmed it for quite a while, right? So yeah, found that pretty interesting. I gotta admit, that footage, I want to show more footage, like that. So, thank you to Dr. Dan for sending that to me. Yeah, want to cover more stuff like this, more footage, more videos, let's start looking into that stuff. That'll be cool. So anyway, hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Check out my video tomorrow. I am going to be dropping my video about digital aliens, my theory. So I'm going to drop that video tomorrow and look forward to sharing that with y'all. So anyway, we'll see you guys on tomorrow's video. Remember, every day's a gift, y'all.